Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll learn how to view item details while billing in Logic ERP. Let's begin by generating a sales bill. Transact an item and then press F7 on the pack size field. This will open the item details window and display the selected item's information. By pressing F1, you can also access the Hotkeys window, which provides a complete list of shortcut keys along with their positions and respective functions. Here, you can see the shortcut for accessing item details, which we just demonstrated.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.